Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from ANGELROSE Designs. And today, we're here with a Happy Mail from Miss Margaret L. And this is a bookbinding kit. And what it entails is you have your boards, your press. We have the screws, but it's in here. Okay? And then you got all your tools for the bookbinding. You got your threads. You got it all. You have two different bone folders. Now these, I don't know if they're acrylic or what, but we'll find out. Then you have your needles. You have your ring thimble. You have your scissors. Whoops. 4 different threads. Okay. Oh, here's some more needles, y'all. Okay. So you either got these needles to sew with or you have these needles. And then you have a ruler. Okay. So that is all for this Happy Mail. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please hit the red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe, be positive, and I will see you all in the next video. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And I will see you later. Bye-bye for now.